Okay, this is the Ray RC DoDoeleph or DoDoeleph remote control. This is the gesture series where you wear the thing on your hand and control the remote control. So we're going to unbox this and go through everything. There's the 3 different versions: yellow, gray, and blue. Here we go. So straight out of the box, we've got the blue version. Nice and tight there with these wheels. Unfold this. Hopefully it's not wired in. Not a huge fan of those, but let's get everything out of the box. Okay, so we've got our actual car. I'm assuming we've got a battery here, but we'll unlock all this. We've got the remote control car here. And the wrist control here. So this is going to be our gesture control here. Almost like a watch that you can see. So we'll lay that there. And we've got one battery there, rechargeable. We've got a USB charger. It does not come with a dongle, but this would go here, and you would just plug this into USB charger, 5 volt there. And then a charger, I'm assuming, yep, for the gesture here. So the same. And then this would be to put the battery, I'm assuming, in the bottom of the car, right there. And there might be another battery already in there. It feels pretty heavy, so I'm going to unscrew it and let you know. See if the lights turn on. So they do not. So we'll get everything going, and then we'll show you what it looks like outside.
What are you doing? Good.